Hey guys, what's going on? This is Quentin, aka Mr. CPMD, aka Mr. Crypto Pays Me Daily, and I am back. Today is Sunday, December the 17th, and I got some real exciting news to share. As you know, I've been very quiet here in recent, haven't been seeing a lot of me, haven't been hearing a lot from me, and that's because I've really been doing some research, right? Really been just taking a step back from everything to really look and search for things that are going to be solid moving into the new year. I really want things to start off great as we move into the new year, and really to just have 2024 really be the best year. You know, you hear people talk about that all the time. You know, the best year, is next year coming up, and it never really happens. But no, this is my real goal is to make 2024 not only my best year, but for everyone who is a part of the community that is following as well. And one of the things is that one of the things that I've been noticing is that a lot of people have had a lot of success um, when it comes to private opportunities. And when I mean private, I mean more private trading opportunities. And so I think a great way to build a foundation is to start with trading opportunities. When we get into a lot of the crypto projects, I love crypto, right? I mean, it's one of the things that can make you the money the fastest and also can lose you money the fastest as well. But I love real legitimate projects. And as you know, I've talked about some on here, L7. We had a call about that this morning. This call is not about that. But sometimes you see those projects take turns that you don't expect because the aspect of control in some of those projects, you don't have as much control. But when I look at trading, opportunities where, whoever is trading or whatever system or AI or algorithm is trading for you, they don't control your money. You have control of your money, or at least through whatever broker that you have. Um, that's one of the safest ways to go out here and earn money passively, right? And so there's been some stuff that I've been on a couple calls over the last week. We were on a call earlier this morning, or actually not even a few hours ago. We were on a call of about 15 leaders asking more questions and digging in deep. Having people that are experienced in this space put their eyes on this and ask the questions that they want to ask. And I've come to the realization that this is definitely something that we want to have as a part of the Crypto Pays Me Daily community. All right, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is be a part of the Crypto Pays Me Daily Facebook page, because that's where the sign up form is. And I have not even really taken a look at this. I'm going to look at it here with you guys live so that you can kind of see what's going on with this opportunity. But we now see some technology that's able to trade in the markets. And when I tell you, I don't want to say it does not lose, but when you have 95+% success rate in your trading, and you can do that consistently and you can show that, which is what we were able to see, it's exciting, to be able to see, we saw over 300% made in 3 days with this particular technology. Now, does that mean that's what we're going to see? No, we're not. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that that's what we're going to see, but I think we can all agree that if we can see anywhere from 15+% consistently every single month, everyone would be happy, right? We were a part of things that made 8 and 10% a month, and people were extremely happy. So if we can see anything above 15-20% a month consistently, I think there's no one who will have an issue with that, where we know we can have access to our funds. We know we won't have problems withdrawing. We don't have to worry about, accounts being blown, right? All of these things. If we can have that type of comfortability in the types of investing that we're doing, we can see some real results. And so the first thing that I did is, in the description in this video, there is a link that you can watch a recorded Zoom. It's a long one. It's about 90 minutes. Starts off a little slow, but the information that you're going to start seeing when you get into it, it's going to blow you away. Some people are going to say, I don't believe it. Some people are going to say it's not real. it's going to blow you away. So I challenge everybody that's on to take the time to watch that. And then I also want to show you how you will be able to get yourself enrolled if you want to be a part of this. And first off, I want to say this. We're talking about a minimum of a $500 investment. So we're not having to go crazy out of our pockets, right? You can start with a minimum of $500. I think everyone would agree that in a, trading opportunity, that is a very reasonable amount. It's not, a lot of more private deals require you to have 50,000, 100,000, 25,000, right? So to be able to get involved here at a $500 entry, I believe is very, very reasonable. All right. So what I want to go ahead and do now is jump right into this. And actually, I want to go to the Facebook group because I want to post this form that you will need. All right. So, and we'll do it all while I'm on. And I have not even signed up yet. So I wanted to do this specifically to show you guys what that process looks like. So let's see if this will work. All right. So let's hop over to my Facebook group. All right. So if you are not a member of the CPMD Facebook group, you definitely want to get in there. All right. To be a part of the group, you just need to search Crypto Pays Me Daily on Facebook. You actually can, I think you can even put CPMD. I think it'll still come up. Let's see. No. So I think you need to type it out. So type it out when you're on Facebook. Crypto Pays Me Daily. Oh, as you can see, I'm not spelling. Anyway, still, wait. Let me put it in right. As you can see, I can't type. So it'll come up right here. It's going to have 6.4K members and it's private, right? So when you go to visit the group, you're going to have to answer the questions. There's 4 questions. Make sure you answer those questions. Otherwise, you're not getting into the group, right? Because we don't want the fake accounts and spam accounts trying to get into the group. All right. So make sure you do that. Now, what I'm going to do right now while we're on is and this is called JDOT trade, and the technology or the that trades is called Iris. All right. You don't, I guess, really need to know all of that, but you'll see that in the video once you watch it. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's just put sign up form for JDOT trading or JDOT trade. Let's just put JDOT trade. All right. Oops. I hate when it does that. All right. Now, when you sign up, I'm going to put this first. Please remember to put your username before sharing the form with your teams. All right. And I'll show you what I mean by that here in just a second. So let's go ahead and upload this file. I already have it. Let's see. Bam. All right. And I'll show you what this form looks like and we'll go over it. So this is posted. I'm going to pin this. Now, also, what I want to do is I'm going to take the call, the recorded call. Let me see if I can find it. I know I posted it or sent it. Let's see. Because I want to post the call here as well. All right. So copy. I'm going to post in the comments. Here is the recorded Zoom. All right. So somebody can watch that there. So I'm going to also do this as well. New trading opportunity. Let's put passive because I don't want people to think. And I'll need to put that passive trading opportunity. Earn safe, great, consistent returns. All right. I'm just going to put that there. And I'll put watch below for all details. I'm going to post this so that you can have a chance to go in and watch. And there's a passcode for the Zoom. So make sure you put that in and you can watch this. I'll just put link below. All right. So now this is just so that you can come back and watch what, everybody else or, what the few have seen so far. So that form is there for you to get signed up. And we're going to look at the form now because I want you to see and understand what the form looks like. All right. So let's just click it. So it's a Word document. All right, let's blow it up. So JDOT Precision Markets Enrollment Process. All right, so here's what's going to happen. All right, and I'm going to just go through this whole thing real quickly so you know. The enrollment outline will consist of 5 sections. This document does not cover Black Bull enrollment or international clients, nor the crypto trading option. So not only is this going to be for Forex, but there will also be crypto as well. But this is specifically going to speak to the Forex side of it. All right, the crypto side will come because I believe there's going to be the same technology trades there, same opportunity to be able to earn as well. There'll be a separate documentation for those options. You must have your sponsor or enroller's name to sign up. There are no individual referral links. All right. Now, so this is what I was saying. I have not started this yet. So first thing you're going to do is you can copy this JDOT trade sign up, right? You're going to have to copy that and you're going to go there. All right. Let me just go ahead and paste this. I was already there, but this is what it's going to look like. I'm just pasting the exact link. You must put your sponsor's name there first. All right. So I'm going to put, and I don't know if I should put this person's information out because they may not want it out. So hold on just a second. Let me just pause the sharing for a sec. Let me put the person's info there. So in this case, you will be putting crypto pays me daily if you are enrolling with me. If you are enrolling with someone else, then you will have their link. All right, so give me just a second. Okay. So, and I'll show you what this screen looks like here in just a second. So give me just a second. I'm going to put it's going to ask me for my name, first, last name, my email address. It's asking me for some basic information. Hold on. Ask me for my phone number. And I'll tell you what all of this means. I'll kind of explain this as we go. Almost done. Hold on, guys. Almost done. It's actually not really a hard process to sign up, but create my account. Let's see if it works. All right, so I'm in. All right, so let me go back and share a screen just real quick, and I want to show you this. I want to show you what this looks like. So let's go right back over. Remember, we said it was JDOT trade sign up. Oh, wait. You can say that. It's fine. I want to go back to the other screen. Let me see real quick. JDOT trade. I think now that's probably got my cookies in. So sign up now. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, hold on. Let's try this. I want to show you what it's going to look like when you go there. Let's copy the sign up here. Let's paste the link. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have a blank spot to enter the sponsor's name. So let's say if it's with me, you just put crypto pays me daily, all lowercase, and it's going to say find my sponsor. It's going to put the name there, and then you're just going to enter basic information. All right. Basic information, username, create my account. It's going to let you know if your username is available or not. Then you'll create your account. So whenever you take this form and you download this form, you're going to want to come in and change right here where it says crypto pays me daily to your username before you send it to someone. All right. So it says you must have your sponsor's username to sign up on the JDOT platform. Fill in the username of your sponsor in the enroller section. All right. Our username for signing up is crypto pays me daily. Be sure to use the username of the person who referred you. If it was not, and I need to change that again too. Crypto pays me daily. All right. So, that's what it should say. It's actually showing these are some people, I guess, who are already in. Does it allow me to save this? Save the downloads. Save. Okay. So, but yeah, that's what it should say. I'll get this changed in the posted in the group, the one that I posted in the group. So yeah, so it should say that. And then again, just make sure to switch out those two names whenever you send this to someone else. All right. Continue to complete the rest of the enrollment. Once complete, hit submit, and then now you can log in. Upon logging into the dashboard, will display crypto subscription information. Disregard that is currently being revamped. See my account section in the menu. This will reflect your referrals who you've sponsored. Once you enroll your first client, an email will come with admin access to all referral information and tools associated with your referrals. So let's just hop back over. Let's see what that looks like. Oh. Well, let me sign up. Well, hold on. I think because I've already kind of got in the system. Let me see. So back office login. Crypto pays me daily. Sign up. All right. So go back over. So it says disregard. Refer you. Okay. So I guess once you're in here, this is just basically going to show you where your referrals are, because this has a 2-tier affiliate system in it that pays out based on the profits that's earned every month. All right. So you can make some money from the profits of your first 2 levels, right? The people you sponsor and the people that they sponsor. So 2 levels, you can earn some referral commissions. Now, the second step is to go to Precision Markets. This is the broker that we are using. All right. And again, we've had some people who are very experienced in this space that have put some eyes on this stuff. All right. To make sure that we're making, a solid decision here. Now you will go in and it says click live account. You can choose to sign up as an individual or as a corporation. Fill out the registration info, hit submit. Once inside your account, you'll create live account. Fill out account details, preferences accordingly, account type, standard, leverage 500. Take notes, document your master password and investor password. You also receive an email with these credentials. See and take note that your account number has been generated for MT5. So this is pretty standard, right? We've signed up before for different brokers before. I mean, this is pretty much just the same thing, right, that we've seen before. All right, so I'm just going through this process real quick. Come on, hold on one sec. I don't know if you know, but I feel like this new update for iOS has been slow. It's not really working that good, even on the phone. All right, so once you go in, let's create the account. Come on, let's go. All right, we'll agree to terms, conditions. Let's sign up. Everything looks good. Good. Let's go ahead and save. Now we are inside. Again, back over here, it says once inside your account, create live account. So you're going to go in. I guess my account. Create live account. We're going to use, did it say if we need a pro? Create live account. Standard. So we're going to have a standard account. Remember, leverage is 500. Oh, well, I guess I'll change all of this stuff. So let me just change this real quick, because I don't want to have the password for my account. So one sec. I'm going to create whatever I want for that. So let me just stop sharing real quick. Let me create a password. We'll call this JDOT trade. So yeah, definitely it lets you go in here and create your own password, which is pretty cool for your account. Agree to terms, conditions, and then now you can create your own account. Okay. Right. All right. So now I'll go back and share. Entire screen. And so that's what it looks like, right? So once you get your account created in here, they're going to email you. I probably got an email. Yep. I got an email in there saying, welcome to Precision Markets, all of that good stuff. All right. So now you got your account created. All right. Now you have to make a deposit. I'll do that here after. You can use USDT, TRC, ERC20, or BTC. So only three things that you can use there. All right. Make sure you verify your addresses when you're sending this stuff. You can even screenshot the transaction ID, or it says to screenshot, fill out the deposit info and then screenshot the transaction ID and upload the JPEG in the section requesting the picture file. So it's just like a verification of when you're making your deposit. So let's see. My account is here. It's live. Let me see if I got just enough to do this. I know I probably got to move some stuff around, but do I have some USDT? I don't think I got enough. I like to do it in USDT because I know it'll be a lot quicker that way too. Well, I'm just gonna do some just so we can see. Because I got a little bit of USDT, I think, in here. There's another email from Precision Markets. So they sent another one. Oh, actually, that I don't have TRC. I have the other one. So, um, anyways, we'll make the deposit here in a sec. But you can do any of these, right? Put the amount. Then you want to screenshot, like if you're using Exodus or whatever wallet, just screenshot that page that shows the transaction ID, and then you'll choose it as a file and upload it. That way, if there's something that happens, they can go in and verify based on your transaction ID. So I'll do that here in a second because I got to move some stuff around. All right. So once you get it, it's going to automatically deposit those funds into that account. All right. Now, screenshot successful deposit into your records. Service team at Precision Markets will need to verify the deposit. They have 24/7 staff to do this, which usually takes 24 to 48 hours. May not take that long, but it may. They're just setting the right expectation, so that's cool. It says email will come when the funds reflect in your account. Dr. K has an OTC exchange option available with wiring instructions for US based clients and international clients if they need to exchange fiat for crypto. Minimum is 10,000. Additionally, there is an app that can be used as well. So if you are wanting to wire funds, you can. Dr. K, who's the person who did our call earlier today, there's an option to do that. I would imagine most people are probably not going to do that. They're going to use crypto, but if not, that is another option. So then after you have funded your account, now we want to go to pam.precisionmarkets.io. All right. So let's open new page, paste that. So we are basically joining a PAM in this scenario here, in the opportunity, what we're doing here. So we are an investor. We have our account, right? They're going to send our MT account number and our password, right? And then we need to register as the investor. All right, let's make sure that's what it's saying. Okay, yeah, fill in your MT5 account number, password, right? That you set or that they set for you. Agree to terms, press invest. It takes approximately 1 hour for the PAM connection or deposit to be verified. Once verified, trading will commence as follows. If signed up on Monday through Friday prior to 5:30 Eastern time, it will take the active trade. If sign up is over the weekend, trading will start on Monday. All right. Back to Precision Markets dashboard. In your account section, go to the settings wheel. You'll see transaction history, so you can see all what's happening. If you select withdraw, you can see your balance, your equity, how much is in the PAM, and credit, how much you can withdraw. Although you can withdraw anytime, the correct behavior and duplication is to withdraw once a month, 30 days from the account starting. Now, here is what we kind of found out on the call today. First, between the 1st and the 7th of the month is when we want to withdraw. All right. And we want to practice that and just stick to it between the 1st and the 7th of every month. All right. Just trust me, for longevity and long-term success, that is going to be the best. That's going to set the best expectations moving forward for the results. Right. So, go back to your JDOT systems dashboard. Everything is verified and synced up. Information will reflect in your dashboard here. When you will get your first enrollment, you will get an email with admin dashboard access. This gives you the tools and information on all your referrals, including contact, account information, commissions, etc. That's it. So this is not different than anything else before. The difference here, and when you watch the Zoom, is the technology that they are using to trade. That is what's super next level. And I mean super next level. It's gonna be like you've never seen before. All right. But once you do that, you're ready to go. There's nothing else you got to do. You're done. All right. So um yeah, this is I'm really, really excited about this. I'm telling you, if you watch the video, you're probably not gonna sleep well. You're gonna get real excited. I just had somebody messaging me, hey, call me when you're done. I watched it. They want to talk about it, but it's really, really exciting to see some technology like this. I've never seen anything that trades like this before. Um, I don't even want to say that it doesn't lose, but it literally like doesn't lose. It's that good, what these guys have put together. So we will have some calls, some scheduled calls. I'll post those inside of the group so that we can really start getting some um, I don't know, a schedule where we're able to talk about and share this opportunity with others. We can share it. So, I mean, it is private from a standpoint that it's not something that we just want to plaster over everything. This is why, for me, this is going to be available inside the CPMD group. So, that's where the form will be. So you can't sign up unless you get that form, which will only be available in the CPMD Facebook group. So I'll be doing some updates on this as we keep moving forward. But again, low entry. You can get into this thing without a lot of money. It can make you a really nice percentage. I know we might even see some crazy months where the numbers just are crazy, because when you watch the Zoom, you're gonna see they did over 300% in 3 days, 200% in 4 days, 80% days that they've been able to do with the technology that they're using. So, and these are very experienced people in this space. So, yeah, excited about that. If you got questions, guys, just drop them below, drop them in the group. I know this is all new information. I wanted to bring it to you guys as fast as I could so that you had the opportunity um, to get yourself involved and positioned, right? So, um, just remember that when you're sharing this with um, your teams and with people that to change the username in that file, in the PDF or in the Word document, so that they are signing up with you. All right. There'll be more. That's all I really got right now. Just wanted to bring this to you. Also, too, I'll post different the MyFX book, all of that stuff. We have that information as well. It's public. It's not private. You can see it. I'll post all of that stuff as well. So that's it. That's all I got for right now. Let's see if there's any questions on it real quick. I'm here, big dog. My boy, my boy Croc, what's going on? He just messaged me. He was like, "Man, I'm watching this video, man. I'm like, I'm super interested. You got my attention." So, big time, networker, trader. We just were in DC for the Core 4 Mastermind. It was great event, and this guy's doing some crazy stuff. Incredible stuff. So I know when you got people like this that see the information and they see the same thing that I see, we're on to something here. So yeah, I'll give you a holler here in a minute, bro. And we got Jackie. Thanks, Q. No problem. Miss Kemp. Happy holidays to you as well. Faithful CPMD member. Appreciate you, as well. But again, guys, my passion really is to bring you guys solid things. Everything we've been seeing things dropping left and right. I didn't touch a lot of them because I just didn't, wasn't in the right place to do it. Didn't feel like they were the right things. But nevertheless, we got to keep moving forward. And my goal is going to be to just keep bringing more solid deals. That's it. Build a solid foundation for you guys so that you can have some things that are going to make you consistent income. And then you can choose to do with that money whatever you want and go and play in the different things that you want to play in. But for me, it's consistency. So that's all I got, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. I'm sure I'll be back. I'll be updating more information about this as we get it. I'm going to go finish setting my account up because I want to be trading for this week, and the trading week starts in 2 hours. So I want to be in there. So any questions, just post them and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, guys. Mr. CPMD, I'm out. Later, guys.